Hey y'all, Lindsey here, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm so excited to guide you through the latest developments in crypto and blockchain. As always, we have so much to cover, so let's jump right into it. Over on Discord, we are now at 3,799 members. Whether you're a dev, a builder, or just someone curious about the decentralized web, it is the perfect space to exchange ideas and get assistance directly from our team. Over on social media, we shared some exciting news. Mintify and Pinata are partnering to bring real-time decentralized metadata to digital asset markets. Pinata is so proud to power Mintify's metadata layer for crypto, RWAs, and NFTs. We're serving the data before you even need it, and we're just getting started. Speaking of Mintify, let's dive into their company a little bit more. If you haven't checked out Mintify recently, you're missing one of the most compelling trading tools in Web3. What started as a cross-chain NFT aggregator has transformed into a full digital asset terminal. It now supports tokens and NFTs across Ethereum, Solana, Base, Optimism, and more, all in real time with a UI that feels like it was built for actual traders, not spreadsheets. They've rolled out the Mint token, which goes beyond the typical governance model. It gives users real perks like lower fees, staking rewards, and exclusive platform access. But what's really next level is Mint AI, a ChatGPT-style tool that lets you trade just by typing what you want in plain English. It's like buy this, sell that, and boom, it's done. Have you grabbed your tickets for Permissionless 4 yet? Heads up, it's happening next week from June 24th through the 26th in Brooklyn at Industry City. Hosted by Blockworks and Bankless, this is the crypto event of the year, with sessions covering everything from NFTs to DeFi, on-chain gaming, and AI. And yes, I'll be there with a few folks from the Pinata team. We are also hosting a little something of our own in partnership with Blockworks. Picture this: drinks, bites, fun swag giveaways, good people, and very tall people. Dennis Rodman will be there. It's not a panel-heavy side event, just a space to relax and connect. Space is limited, so if you'll be around, make sure to grab your spot through the link in the description box below. To wrap up this week's episode, let's talk a little bit about our outage that happened on June 12th. This outage impacted uploads, file retrieval, and our gateways, basically the core of how you interact with Pinata. And while we weren't directly using Google Cloud, some of our infrastructure partners were, including Cloudflare, whose KV service went down due to a major GCP outage. Cloudflare's KV service powers the performance layer of our IPFS gateways. When that went down, our ability to serve files was heavily disrupted. Once we identified the root issue, we shifted focus to restoring core functionality while minimizing external dependencies. Looking ahead, we're doing a full audit of our stack to account for all indirect dependencies. It's clear that even if we don't use a particular cloud provider directly, our partners might. This means building more resilience, faster fallback strategies, and improved observability. It's an ongoing initiative, and we are committed to learning from it and improving. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. If you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting content from our team. Just a heads up, there will be no episode next week, as I will be in New York City for Permissionless, as mentioned, but you can catch me back on July 2nd for another week of Weekly Whimsy. Until then, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, everyone!